Welcome to Wyzebulb. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Wyzebulb to link in Facebook lead ads to ActiveCampaign. Now, let's visit wyzebulb.com and connect our Wyzebulb account to integrate Facebook lead ads to ActiveCampaign by clicking on Create Flow button. Here, let's choose Facebook lead ads as trigger application and select New Lead through Lead Ad Form as trigger event. And then save to continue to connect our Facebook account. Here we need to provide login credentials of our Facebook account. Then we need to set up Facebook application by choosing the page name and selecting the respective form name to capture the leads. Then we can test our event by clicking on the sample test and then save and continue. Let us move on to the action section. Here ActiveCampaign is our action application. There are 4 actions available here. We can choose one among these. For now, let's choose Add Contact as our action. Then let's connect our campaign account by providing its account API key and URL, and then set up the template by filling the respective fields. By clicking on the plus icon, you can even search or choose the mapped data from the trigger applications. We can also complete the fields that are necessary for us and then save. Now I will test the action by clicking on Test Action. If all the steps are successful, this window will prompt a success message and then save and continue to save the flow. Now let's go to our ActiveCampaign account. Here we can see the contact has been created for the Wyzebulb tested data successfully. Great. Now you have trigger and action part complete, and test message is received. Now, you have the automated workflow. Trigger and action part are complete. Let's confirm our automated workflow. In Facebook, we have used this customer form for setting up our workflow. Each time when a new lead is generated via a form, here we can see a new contact has been created for each lead in ActiveCampaign application. Likewise, the automated workflow for the other 3 actions in ActiveCampaign can now be configured in a similar manner. For more such automation for your business, by integrating your most used applications, visit wyzebulb.com.